Hello everyone. Let's delve into the first core capability, information retrieval and summarization. This is arguably the most frequent use case for standard chat, especially when faced with an overwhelming amount of corporate data. Copilot can rapidly read and summarize lengthy Word documents, dense PDF reports, or even chaotic multi-day Teams chat threads. Imagine needing to understand a 50-page policy update. Instead of spending an hour reading it, you can simply ask Copilot to extract the 3 main changes to the remote work policy from the attached document. This significantly cuts down on time spent on mundane reading tasks. Furthermore, because standard Copilot chat is seamlessly connected to your Microsoft Graph, its information retrieval capabilities extend across your entire personal workflow. This means you can ask highly specific questions like, "What did Sarah say about the marketing budget in our meeting last Tuesday?" Copilot will then scan relevant meeting transcripts and emails to provide a precise answer. Even better, it often includes clickable citations that point directly back to the original source document or communication, allowing you to verify the information and dig deeper if needed. This interconnectedness makes finding specific details within your vast digital ecosystem incredibly efficient. The second key capability is content generation. Standard chat is an exceptional drafting tool, effectively eliminating the dreaded blank page problem. You can ask Copilot to generate first drafts for a wide array of business communications. This includes drafting professional emails to clients, writing comprehensive project proposals, creating detailed meeting agendas, or even suggesting innovative brainstorming ideas for a new product launch. The AI is flexible enough to adjust its tone based on your instructions. For example, you can ask it to make an email sound more formal for a CEO or more casual for an internal team sync. The third core capability is basic data analysis and synthesis. While specialized tools like Excel have their own dedicated Copilot features for complex mathematical computations, the standard chat interface can still perform valuable synthesis tasks. You can ask it to compare 2 different documents and highlight their discrepancies, or to review a list of customer feedback emails and identify the most common recurring complaints. In essence, it acts as an analytical sounding board, helping you rapidly identify significant trends within your unstructured data. This capability provides quick insights without requiring advanced data science skills. A defining characteristic of the standard chat experience is its single-turn or brief conversational interaction design. This means you ask a question, the AI provides an answer, and you might ask 1 or 2 follow-up questions to refine that initial response. Once the task is complete, it's generally a self-contained interaction. When you close the browser tab or start a new chat, the standard Copilot begins with a fresh slate. It doesn't permanently remember specific formatting rules you requested yesterday, nor does it adopt a continuous persona. It's a general-purpose tool, always awaiting its next specific instruction, making it incredibly versatile for varied daily tasks. Figure 2.1, which depicts the standard Copilot chat interaction flow, visually reinforces this concept. A user provides a general prompt, which triggers basic context retrieval from standard emails and recent files. This information is then processed by the AI engine, leading to a single-turn response. For the exam, it's crucial to remember that standard chat is optimal for these single-turn, generalized requests, such as drafting a quick email or summarizing a specific document. It is not designed for persistent, highly specialized workflows that demand the AI to remember complex instructions day after day. Keep this distinction clear to avoid confusion. While the standard Microsoft 365 Copilot chat is incredibly powerful for daily triage, it fundamentally operates as a generalist. It's designed to be moderately helpful across a vast spectrum of tasks, rather than being an absolute expert in one specific workflow. To excel in the AB-730 exam, you must learn to recognize precisely when a business problem extends beyond the capabilities of this general interface. These situations often require a more specialized AI solution to achieve the desired precision and persistence, highlighting the limitations inherent in a broad-scope tool. The primary limitation of standard chat lies in its lack of persistent, specialized memory. Each time you initiate a new chat session, Copilot effectively starts with a blank slate. Consider a scenario where your department requires an AI to always respond using a highly specific legal tone, or to consistently format answers according to a strict 15-point corporate compliance checklist. With standard chat, you would find this frustrating, as you'd have to retype those complex instructions into your prompt every single time you began a new conversation. Standard chat simply cannot be permanently configured to adopt a specific, ongoing persona or set of rules.